So in this video, kind of like basic immigration concepts, how do we actually read a USCIS receipt number? What does it mean? All these numbers that they have there, explaining the receipt number, what each number means, so you understand how they do this, what are these WAC, or ECL, all that, what it means. So watch this video and let's talk about it. In this video, we'll try to understand the USCIS receipt number, what it is, and how to kind of read it. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click that bell to be notified when new videos come out every week. And also, follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate that very much. So let's talk about USCIS receipt numbers. Most people, when they file a case, no matter what case, when you pay the fee, you put the check on top of your package, you send it out. Typically within 2 to 4 weeks, you're going to be getting a receipt. Typically they're called I-797, Form I-797. This is the typical receipt from USCIS. And depends where you send it. Each receipt will have different letters on them that mean different things. But, for example, if you send them the wrong fee, or if you send it to the wrong address, the entire case will be sent back to you with a rejection notice. But let's assume that you filed the case correctly and you get your first receipt, Form I-797. Let's understand what that form means by looking at the numbers, the different numbers. So the first part of the receipt are letters. So let's look at the letters. So if it says CSC, it's a California Service Center. If it says EAC, it's Eastern Adjudication Center, typically for H-1Bs and O visas. If it's WAC, it's Western Adjudication Center. Any cases that are on the West, and also known as California Service Center. EAC, also known as Vermont Service Center. So that just tells you which service center your case will go. After that, there's a number. So after the letters, which indicate which service center, then we go to 2 numbers. So let's say it says 19 or 18 or 17. That just explains the fiscal year that we are in and cases are being adjudicated. Next, we move on to the computer workday. So after the fiscal year, we're looking at the computer workday. So the third set of digits indicate the computer workday that the case was opened, what day the case was opened. Then we have the final 6 letters, the final 5 letters indicate what is the actual case number. This is the actual case number that your case will be adjudicated based on. So as we said, just for knowledge purposes, they break it down by a service center location, fiscal year, date that the case was opened, and the actual case number. And then you take this number and you go to the USCIS website, and we can link the link where and how you can check your case status, because you need that number to be able to check your case status. You can sign up for automatic updates where they're going to send you an email and they tell you the progress of your case. But it's really important to have your case number to be able to know how far and where your case is at any particular moment. It's really helpful for employment-based cases where it tells you if there's a request for more evidence or if the case is approved or denied. You can all do that by logging into the immigration website and punching in your case number. That's why it's really important to understand that, first of all, where is the case number, that you have a case number, and make sure you keep that in a safe place throughout the process of your case. So just wanted to do a small video to explain about what is a case number and how to read it, because we do get those questions, and I thought, well, why not make a video and explain that so we don't have to answer that question over and over again. So hopefully you like this video, and if you have questions or comments, post them below. And again, you know somebody who may want or need this information, feel free to share and let me know what other videos you would like for us to make. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.